Hi, I'm Julia Chavez. Welcome back to Little Fish in a Big Pond, a support guide for actors by Lizzie Maxwell. And today, she's talking about the moods of casting directors. They're human just like you and I, but they have good days and bad days, just like you and I. Some are always wonderful no matter how frenzied they are, and others can be totally crazed all the time. Some use their power, the power they have to bring you in, to intimidate, and others are very sensitive to the needs and fragility of actors. Your job, though, is to be a very good reader of moods. And if you're not, then listen up. You're going to want to do this. Just be professional. Go in, do your stuff, and leave. Don't start talking to make conversation, especially stupid conversation. You know how that's a turnoff. And if you worked with the director of the show, then go ahead and tell the casting director about that. You know, I did that recently. I went in for a casting and I didn't tell them I worked with the director, and I left, and I thought I should have, because the director had cast me in a pilot once before, and I was auditioning again for an episode that he was directing. But next time I'll do that. Other things that are okay to do is compliment the casting director or producer on a film or show they recently did, and make sure it's real, genuine compliments. That shows that you've done your homework, and everyone, of course, loves a true compliment. Casting directors are human just like us, as I said before. Be nice and understanding with them, and hope for them to be the same with you, but don't necessarily expect it. That's it for now. For Little Fish in a Big Pond, I'm Julia Chavez. And remember, follow your dreams.